Hey, so today I'll show you how to organize your notes in Google Keep the Right Way in 2026. If your notes feel messy or hard to find, this guide will help you clean everything up step by step. First, use labels to group your notes. You can create labels like work, study, or ideas to keep everything sorted. Next, use colors to visually organize your notes. Important notes can be red, personal notes can be blue, and so on. Now, pin your most important notes to the top. This keeps your priority tasks always visible. Yeah, turn notes into checklists for to-do items. It helps you track progress easily. Now, archive notes you don't need anymore. They won't clutter your main screen, but you can still access them later. Yeah, set reminders for important notes. I mean, this helps you stay on track with deadlines and tasks. Now, add images or voice notes to make your notes more detailed. It's great for quick ideas or visual reminders. Yeah, use the search bar to instantly find any note. I mean, Google Keep is powerful when you search properly. If everything is synced, you can access your notes anywhere. Phone, laptop, or tablet all stay updated automatically. So yeah, that's how you organize notes in Google Keep. Once you use labels, colors, and pinning, your notes will stay clean and easy to manage. Thanks for watching. Thanks for